Hello everyone, let's talk more about artificial intelligence today also. Um, Basically, we will see more of autonomous systems where they won't just provide solutions but will also take decisions. There are things like facial recognition, emotional recognition. We could have manipulation of human behavior and choices with it, and also freedom of choice or freedom of thinking. Even though it might sound like it's in a distant future, it's happening now. Like, for example, Apple which could tell your emotions. AI Act and Data Act will be very essential for the future. Now we are in the time of narrow artificial intelligence, like Google Assistant, Google Translate, Siri, and other NLP tools. The more we understand about our brain, more we can accomplish with AI. Now, machines are more capable in recognizing human emotions. If we go to behavioral science, human decisions up to 80% are based on emotions. So these decisions will be subject to manipulations by artificial intelligence. We see artificial intelligence even in creative fields. There's an article by GPT-3 artificial intelligence algorithm in The Guardian. You can Google it. UNESCO has come up with a treaty where 193 countries come together on ethics of AI. Automated decision making really affects lives of people in areas like housing, employment, and education. Like if a CV is going to be read by a machine which has biased program which could increase discrimination against people, how could people trust the recruitment system, right? If there's a discrimination in housing by an artificial intelligence which will be used by a local authority to decide on social housing or building permits, algorithms need to understand law, human rights, and program accordingly. The way it's designed, the data it uses, and criteria for assessment, these could replicate the structural discriminations that permeate our society, including sorts of bias. And because artificial intelligence is efficient similar to human decision making, it could worsen things like access to credit and such things. That's all for today. We shall discuss more in coming videos. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.